Today, we're diving deep into the practical steps of canceling and ultimately deleting your Rocket Lawyer account. We'll walk through the entire process, making sure you know exactly what to expect and how to navigate it seamlessly. Forget the guesswork and the frustration of searching through endless FAQs. This is your definitive guide. We'll cover everything from downgrading your membership, understanding what happens to your documents, and even contacting their support if you hit a snag. So, if you're ready to declutter your digital life and say goodbye to your Rocket Lawyer account, stick around, because we're about to make it incredibly simple. First things first, it's important to distinguish between canceling your membership and deleting your account. Rocket Lawyer's primary offering is a subscription-based service. When you cancel your account, you're usually downgrading from a paid membership to a free account. This means you stop being charged, but your account and the documents you've created are still accessible. This is a crucial point because many users assume canceling means complete deletion, and that's not always the case with online services. If your goal is to completely erase your data and sever all ties, there are additional steps you might need to consider, which we'll get into. Let's start with the most common scenario: canceling your paid Rocket Lawyer membership. This is usually what people mean when they talk about deleting their account, as it stops the recurring charges. The easiest and most common way to cancel your Rocket Lawyer paid membership is directly through your online account settings. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Log in to your Rocket Lawyer account. Head over to the Rocket Lawyer website and sign in with your username and password. This is your gateway to managing all aspects of your account. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for your name or a profile icon, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Hover over it or click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select Account Settings or Member Settings. This is where all your personal and subscription details reside. Find the Downgrade or Change Plan option. Within your account settings, you'll need to locate the section related to your current plan or membership. There should be an option to downgrade or change plan. Click on this. Rocket Lawyer often tries to retain customers by offering a loyalty plan or a free tier with limited features. Proceed with cancellation. You'll likely be presented with options. If you want to stop all paid services, you'll need to decline any promotional offers and select a reason for ending your membership if prompted. Look for a clear button or link that says, "End my benefits" or "Downgrade to free membership." Confirmation. After confirming your decision, Rocket Lawyer should send you an automatic email confirmation. This is important to keep for your records as proof of cancellation. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it in your inbox immediately. It's worth noting that Rocket Lawyer's policy generally states that you won't lose access to the documents you've created even after downgrading to a free account. You can still log in and access them. This is a significant benefit if you ever need to refer back to legal documents you've previously generated. Now, what if you want to go beyond just canceling your membership and actually delete your personal data and account entirely? This is where it gets a little trickier, as many services prefer to keep a record for various reasons. While Rocket Lawyer provides a clear pathway to cancel your membership, a direct delete account button like you might find on a social media platform isn't as prominently displayed. For a complete data deletion request, you'll typically need to contact Rocket Lawyer support directly. The most effective way to request full account deletion and data erasure is by contacting their customer support. You can usually do this through a few channels. Phone. Rocket Lawyer provides a customer service phone number. For U.S. users, it's often 877-881-0947. Available Monday to Friday during business hours, e.g., 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Time. Calling them directly often leads to the quickest resolution. Be prepared to verify your identity. Email. You can also send an email to their support team. Look for an email address like support@rocketlawyer.com or check their Contact Us page on the website. In your email, clearly state your request to delete your entire account and all associated personal data, mentioning any relevant privacy laws, like the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, if you are a California resident, might also be helpful. Live chat. Some support pages offer a live chat option. This can be a convenient way to get an immediate response and initiate the deletion process. Be specific in your request. When contacting support, be explicit that you want your entire account and all associated personal data permanently deleted, not just a membership cancellation. Clarify that you understand you will lose access to all documents and services. Follow up, if necessary, if you don't receive a confirmation of deletion within a reasonable time frame, usually a few business days. Don't hesitate to follow up with another email or phone call. Keep a record of your communication. It's crucial to understand that data retention policies vary by company and jurisdiction. While you can request deletion, some data might be retained for legal, regulatory, or operational reasons, though it should be anonymized where possible. Rocket Lawyer's General Terms of Service and Privacy Policy will contain details about their data handling practices. It's always a good idea to review these before initiating a deletion request if you have specific concerns about your data. Before you cancel or delete your account, here are a few important considerations. Your documents. As mentioned, if you downgrade your membership, your documents typically remain accessible. However, if you explicitly request full account deletion, you will lose access to everything. So, before you initiate any deletion process, make sure you have downloaded and saved all important documents you created on the platform. Print them out. Save them as PDFs to your computer or cloud storage, whatever method works best for you. Don't assume they'll always be there. Active legal matters. If you have any ongoing legal matters or consultations through Rocket Lawyer, ensure they are resolved and completed before you cancel or delete your account. Canceling mid-process could complicate things. Refunds. Understand Rocket Lawyer's refund policy. Generally, if you cancel during a trial period, you won't be charged. For paid memberships, refunds might be prorated or subject to specific terms, especially if you've already utilized their services extensively. Check their terms of service or contact support for clarity on any potential refunds. Auto-renewal. If you're just looking to stop charges, canceling your membership well before the next billing cycle is key to avoiding unwanted auto-renewals. Most subscription services auto-renew by default. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.